herbal plants that are useful for homegrown. So far, any herb should be worn on the country's pharmacy or anywhere. But you can benefit from some of the herbal plants that you can cultivate in your beautiful home. Dill Fennel is called methi in India. Its seeds and its leaves have a lot of medicinal properties. Denny helps to keep our body cool. It is a healthy herbal plant that can be adapted to any situation. It is used to keep the body healthy and increase body weight. Dry liver helps prevent cancer. Growing rhythmic energy increases milk production for new breastfeeding mothers, reduces pain in post-pain and menstrual periods. Allergies occur in the stomach, block allergic bowel ulcer and reduce cholesterol levels in the blood. Prevents bad breath. We can benefit from cultivating this magnificent herb home. Cactus Aloe is a wonderful herb plant. This is where it will grow. Sunlight needs to grow well. This is a herb plant that must be grown at home. It helps to prevent mosquitoes from breaking in your home. It is used for both external and internal applications. It is a good source of water, and the antioxidants in it increase immunity and prevent our old age. If you are less immune to drinking aloe juice daily, your immunity will increase. It is used as a cure for injured and cuts and fire injuries. Opposites the alarm. Also protects your skin and hair. If you drink this aloe juice, heals appetite, digestive disorders, constipation, and bowel ulcer. Lemongrass. Lemongrass is another herb plant. We can also benefit from developing this at home. It can be easily grown in a small jar. It provides countless medical benefits. It is used in tea, salads, soup, and a lot of cuisine. This is very good for the lemongrass nervous system. Antipyrite substance is also treated with high fever. It is also used for breathing and sore throat. It is also used for pain, headache, joint pain, muscle pain, digestive disorders, muscle contraction, stomach pain and all kinds of pain in the stomach. Fazil. Even in a small pot you can grow the balsam. This is also a medicinal herb. Many people use it in cooking. Thai cuisine is used in foods. Also used in salad, soup and other recipes. It is different from the basil plant. It is called sweet basil. Used for stomach cancer and stomach slurry. Used as an antidote to appetite. Used as a medicine for cutting wounds. Mint. This herb plant is the main plant grown in the world. They can be easily grown at home in a small pot that can fit all conditions. Naturally there are magnesium, vitamin A and vitamin C. The juice produced from the leaves is used to give relaxation to the muscles. The mull tends to stink. It is also used as medicine for colon, stomach, fever, burning stroke, and colon. Inhibits the growth of bacteria in our body. Herb, Valerii. It is a nice plant that can be grown in another house. This is the best herb for our brain development and memory. This small herb plant ulcers align skin tissue and blood vessel contractions. If you always want to be young, it's enough to keep it in daily diet. The juice is squeezed and used to cure ulcers. Also used for brain and nervous system constraints. Increases memory. Basil. Tulsi is considered a sacred plant of Hinduism. Also known as the holy basil. Its medicinal properties are well known for being the queen of herbal plants. You can eat this or as a herbal tea. There are 4 types in this basil. Rama Tulsi, Forest Tulsi, Krishna Tulsi, Kalpur Tulsi. The camphor basil is often used for outdoor use. Camphor oil is used as ear problems and ear drops. The oil is also a soap that makes the body soap and shampoo. Antioxidants, antifungal products, antibacterial products, and antibiotics like fever,